everyone, I'm so happy you're here today. We're going to be making this center pop-out card. So here's the front, and then you open it, it looks like that. Hi Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to be using celebration items and brand new January through June mini catalog items. So we're going to be making this one today, but we're using the Melon Mambo instead of the Magenta Madness, which is still so cute. But my daughter, she needed some thank you notes for her nurses that took care of our grandson when he was in the NICU. So this is one of her cards that I'm giving her to give to the nurses, and it says, "You make the world a better place," and then you open it and it's a cute little fun fold. Isn't that beautiful? So then here's another one that I made with the Bermuda Bay, and then I used the different shades of blue, which is the Misty Moonlight and the Bermuda Bay, and then the green is the Granny Apple Green, and then the So Saffron. But the paper is from the same Sunshine and Rainbows designer paper for Celebration, and there's the inside. Super cute. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to be using the 12 by 12 basic white. So you're going to cut that down to 5.5 by 12. And then I have a piece of Melon Mambo, actually 2 pieces. We'll just give you both of these measurements. So this piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 5.5, and then this piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then another piece of basic white, which is going to layer onto here, which is cut at 2 by 3.5. And then we have that beautiful Sunshine and Rainbows designer paper. This is a celebration item that you can get for free for a $50 order, and it's a big pack of paper, and the paper is 6 by 6. So we're going to use this piece here with the cute little rainbows. This piece is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and then these 2 pieces are cut at 1 3/4 by 5, and you're going to need 2. All right, so let's grab our paper trimmer. This is our 5.5 by 12 piece of basic white, and along the 12-inch side we're going to score this at 4, 6, and 8. That's going to be your cute little fun fold in the center. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and fold our score lines. So this is going to pop up in the center, and then this is going to fold over that way and then that way. So then just reinforce the fold lines that go this way. And then I'm also going to reinforce the center line. Okay, so then it should look like an M. See that right there? Okay, so then that's the cute little pop-up. So now I do have the die cuts already done, and we're going to stamp on this little piece here. And this die, and let me show you the dies. This die is from the Hippo and Friends die collection. It's the smallest one of this die right here. And then I have the Brilliant Rainbow dies. These are in the mini catalog with the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set. You can get this in a bundle and save 10%. We're using the stamp set, which is for this stamp right here, "You Make the World a Better Place." And then also I cut out the rainbow and then a couple of the clouds. Okay, so this is the bundle. And then let me show you here. So I use these colors for my rainbow. I used the Mango Melody, the Bermuda Bay, Granny Apple Green, and then the Melon Mambo. So those are the 4 colors. So once you cut out each of the rainbows, you can use one each of the rainbow colors for a total of 4 rainbows that you can make with the card, or any card. So I went ahead and already die cut the rainbow, and I have my pieces for my rainbow that I'm going to use right here. Now this Thanks is also a brand new die, and this is also in a bundle, so let me show you that. Now this is the Amazing Thanks. This is the die we're using for the Thanks right here. So this is the Thanks that I used for the Melon Mambo, and then the basic white I used with this Thanks here. And then this is also available in a bundle with the Amazing Silhouettes. Okay. And then the stamp we're using for the inside is from Pansy Patch. And this is the little things you do make such a big difference. And then the little thank you right there. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do some stamping. Let me get all my greetings out here. We're going to use the Memento Black We're gonna go ahead and stamp our greeting. You make this world a better place. And it fits on this little shape of this die perfectly. Okay, and then we're gonna stamp the inside of our card. Over on this side over here, we're gonna stamp the little things you do make a big difference. And that's from the Pansy Patch. Stamp that right in the center. And then we're going to stamp the thank you right below that. Now you can make these into anything. Like for my daughter, I'm making these into a thank you card. But the thanks is in the die, but you also have amazing. Like the word thanks is for that one too. So it could say you are amazing or thank you, whatever you want, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put our designer paper onto our card. Let me close up my ink pad. We're gonna grab our liquid glue. Okay, then we're going to put this onto our Melon Mambo piece, or 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So isn't it bright and cheerful, the card, the designer paper? So pretty. And then you open it up and it looks like that. So cute. All right, now let's go ahead and add our rainbow to our piece of basic white. Just right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just build the rainbow starting with the smallest piece, which is I believe it's the granny apple green part of the rainbow. But like I said, when you cut out all these pieces of each color, then you're going to be able to make 4 total of each of the rainbows. And I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal for these rainbows. Okay, then we're going to take dimensionals, we're going to pop up our clouds. We're going to put a dimensional on the back of our greeting. Actually, I'm going to put 2 on that. We're going to put this over to the left-hand side of our rainbow. Right there. Then we're going to take our clouds and put them underneath each of the rainbow sides. Isn't that cute? And then I did tie a bow, and this is with the Baker's Twine Essential Pack. You get the, I believe there's 4 colors in there, but I'm just using the basic white. And I'm going to take a mini glue dot. I'll put that right up in the corner. Attach my little bow. So cute. Then we're going to put that on dimensionals as well. We're just going to put 1 on each side. And then this is going to go on the front of our card. Put that right here, right in the center. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and put our adhesive on our thanks. We also have the adhesive sheet, so if you want to die cut the adhesive already on the back of the die when you cut it out, you can do that too, but I find that just using the Stampin' Seal, or you could even use the liquid glue, is good. And then for putting this on the inside of our card, I'm going to only add adhesive on the T, H, and the A on the back side. And once again, you could use the liquid adhesive, but I find that that part of the word thanks is what I want to adhere to that panel of the card. So then when it opens, that's the only part that's actually sticking down to the card, and then it folds up flat. Okay, so that's it. Don't you love it? Okay, so there's the Melon Mambo one that we just made. And then this one is using the Magenta Madness. So you can tell the difference between the two colors now. And then here's the one with the Bermuda Bay. Super cute little fun fold card. Okay, so that's it. If you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll also have all the items listed down below in the description box. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.